The HoneyBook contact form is built to capture leads and can be installed on your company website. By installing HoneyBook's contact form instead of one of your own, all information will be funneled directly into your HoneyBook account. Incoming requests will automatically populate as inquiries in your project pipeline, so you can be sure no lead is left behind. To make sure your contact form fits your business needs, you can customize it however you'd like. To create your contact form, click the Tools menu, then Contact Form. You can work off of the default form we provide, or create your own by clicking the tab on the left side of the screen to open your file drawer, then selecting Add Contact Form. Now, name your contact form by clicking on the title at the top, and then you can start adding or editing questions. A couple fields will be required, like email address and full name, since this information will be used to automatically create the contact and inquiry in HoneyBook. We'll also auto-populate a set of suggested questions: client phone number, project date, location, project type, etc., based on HoneyBook's project details fields. Keeping these suggested questions will ensure that the answers are pulled directly into the details fields of a project, so make sure to keep these questions around if that would be helpful for you. For any questions that you add yourself, while the answers won't be visible through the project details, you'll always be able to review them through the file itself once it's been submitted. To add a new question, click the question type you'd like to include in the Custom Fields menu. Enter your question text, then provide your answer options if relevant. You can also check the box to indicate that this question is required in order to submit the form. Remember that, as with almost anything in HoneyBook, pretty much everything you see here is customizable. You can drag and drop questions to change the order, or use the trash can icon to delete. You can also click on the Preferences tab to adjust the look and feel of your form even further, helping it match your website and brand. Here, you can choose the font, color of the input fields, and color of the text. In the Recipient field, you can see that by default, inquiries will be directed to the company owner, but you can adjust the recipient here if you'd like. Click Add to Website when you're ready, which will allow you to grab the code for this form. Copy this code and embed it into the page of choice on your website. You can find specific written instructions for some of the more popular websites in our Help Center. Once the form is embedded, if you need to make any changes, you can always go back to the contact form editor, make adjustments, and click Publish Changes. That will automatically update the form on your website as well. Finally, if you ever need to use this form at a trade show or send a link directly to someone, click Trade Show Contact Form under the Preferences tab. This will take you right to the form, and you can copy and paste this link anywhere.